And you never just take on Tommy Lee, you take on the whole of girls. So.
Yeah, man.
And people might say you take on Kartel too. What's been the reaction?
You don't know the reaction. I go. In any time you enter any war, you go have two sides. But what people have to understand, you know, and this is the first time I go say this, it's not really take on Kartel. So if Mom put it in this way and in clear so people can understand. Remember, you know, if somebody over your house see my son and fling a stone and hit him, oh, me grew up in the ghetto, everybody over the house now become an enemy to me. Because if me come now and me say, all right, what happened? And it can't settle, that mean everybody with it. So when Leroy made the attempt at my career, and you know him look at weak lyrics them and things. So when him do this, and actually as somebody when me know, you know what I mean, I've been speaking to him for a while, but as somebody when me know, good youth. So when he make it, and what happened was now, remember me and Vybz Kartel cool. We are not friend. We has never been friend. That most people don't understand. We probably talk twice in my entire life. So TJ, I'm a friend. So me and Kartel is not like we have a relationship or not at all. You know what I mean? I'm an artist, like a Bounty Killer, I'm an artist, great musician. So when him do that now, when Kartel incarcerated, TJ link my boy dog them to leave and say, record. My record, because TJ I'm a G. Him son, he might keep a birthday party for him son around him house and him contact me and say, you know, say, Kartel I keep a party, would I love your road show and I'm go. Not free of charge, no nothing. Them time them in I'm prime of my career. I just go around there and show the love. So when I see them start the animosity now, you know what I mean? I say, all right then, I'm going to watch it. But then I say, it's like, he must support it. You know what I mean?
Him who?
Kartel, I support Leroy. So now, man, from you support Leroy, that means, you know, me have to go at everybody. Because me can't support your music where me just there show Ray and Leroy and do this song and you like it on Instagram. No, man, you have to straighten up that, man. So, a music, man, and the competition needed, you know what I mean? So, we have to stand the ground. We have to do, we have to make people know, say, I know it's our time, man.
Yeah, you've got any negative pushback?
Yeah, man, so I see one Masicka do an interview with Dean Jackson Milazine, and I have to laugh, you know. So you know when people are struggling, you know. Yeah, we know say you're rich and everything, yeah. But we also know say you have a concert that come up next weekend at the Barclays, and we also know that the tickets are doing poorly. So we know say you have to go up on a media run for your album and also the concert. The first single where you drop, Spend Money, I see 6 days pass and the views them not even look like how your views them normally look. See? So make we talk about it now. You say Vybz Kartel a defend Leroy. See? Why Vybz Kartel wouldn't defend Leroy? Y'all go on like say Leroy start the fuckery. And you start the fuckery. Unlike a lot of people who wasn't there, I was there at some fest. I see it for myself. A bad mind, the man thing, and the man crowning, and everything. You feel some type of way about it because before the man freedom, you feel like you do some fest a favor the year before when they couldn't find no big artist. It is not a favor. Once you're being paid, it is not a favor. You do your work and you get paid to do your work. You see me? Vybz Kartel gave the biggest feature of your career. And without that feature, you wouldn't be the artist where you would be today. Because you see contents try with you and it never work. Other people try with you and it never work. And I can tell you something, you don't have the branding power of Vybz Kartel. No day, no time. Where Crips there? What happened to the rum there? Huh? What happened to the rum there? We don't see Crips on the shelf. We don't see Crips on the shelf, you know. So Vybz Kartel go prison, left street vibes, and then come out back and give us straight vibes. Every bar we go in, we can see straight vibes from. Not true? Bad mind is a hell of a thing and ego is a hell of a thing, you see me? Yeah, man, you're not easy, man. A bad mind thing, man. And the world don't see it. You don't care what nobody wants to say. A bad mind, the man thing. Tommy Lee have all right for this year. Because at the end of the day, he is Vybz Kartel protege. And him feel like say you are not worthy to be answered by Vybz Kartel. And when you are drowned in a war, the only thing else you think you could have done is call Vybz Kartel name and this Vybz Kartel. But you wait and through you see Vybz Kartel support Leroy. That's why you end up after this Vybz Kartel. That is bullshit. That are the only other care. And anybody who see and understand music, know you are not a Clash artist. You are a good recording artist. You make good albums. You have to hear that because you have 2 albums, 2 of my favorite albums. But I still have to call it out to what it is. You is not a Clash artist and you're failing at the Clash. Tommy Lee take the Clash, and when you see you're joining at the Clash, you go and mention Vybz Kartel name. And that go on. You see me? You need to do better. And that's one of the main things that is wrong with dancehall. Too much crab in a barrel in a dancehall. When the ego, I get the best of you, and when the ego, I go be when the ultimate downfall. You are signed to a major label. The last album you did went double styrofoam. You never sell nothing. So make we see where you have a come with now. Because me personally know say reggae and dancehall album, not reggae, dancehall album don't really sell. Me personally know that. Whether you want to be Vybz Kartel, Alkaline or whatever, the numbers don't really sell because if you not sell silver, if you not sell gold, if you not sell platinum, and if you not sell diamond, the numbers don't make no fucking sense from a music perspective. You need to do better.